If you're using an Intel-based PC, Intel has just released new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers that now officially support Windows 11 version 25H2, which is this year's major feature update. The latest Wi-Fi driver is version 24.0.2. It is available for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. A key point here is that this update now supports Intel's next-generation Wi-Fi 7 hardware. Wi-Fi 7 only works on Windows 11 24H2 or newer, so you must be on the latest version to enable Wi-Fi 7 speeds. The Bluetooth driver is now version 24.0.1, which is the newest release and includes support for Windows 11 version 25H2. If you check the release notes, Wi-Fi driver 24.0.2 is officially validated for Windows 11 25H2. Bluetooth driver 24.0.1 also supports Windows 11 25H2. Microsoft recently announced that Windows 11 24H2 is fully available to all eligible devices if they get the latest updates as soon as their available toggle is turned on. Now, here's the important part. Before these new Intel drivers were released, many systems had a compatibility hold, also called a safeguard hold, due to older Wi-Fi or Bluetooth drivers. This hold prevented devices from receiving the 25H2 update through Windows Update. What installing these drivers does, by installing the latest Intel Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers, the compatibility hold may now be lifted. Your PC becomes eligible to receive Windows 11 25H2 through Windows Update. Updating through Windows Update is always the safest method because it means your system meets all hardware and driver requirements. These drivers are important if you are not receiving the update due to Intel wireless compatibility issues. Thanks for watching.